I apologize. Singing much too loud. You weren't listening, didn't catch the sound. He was hoping for something, it didn't quite hit where it hurt.
Do you have one of these for
Not a flinch nor a clutching, you should have known it wouldn't work. She was watching out for him. He was nothing, just a fire that dim. From a light to a glimmer, the spark that was in him was gone. He would shake, he would shiver, in her eyes he didn't belong. I was silent for too long, but you really weren't here. And still smiling while my heart was choking on fear. He was feeling down to the ties, so revealing was his tone when she asked why he opened his arms up, letting the feeling he got, even though he would end up feeling something worse than he thought. I was silent for too long, but you really weren't here. And still smiling while my heart was choking on fear. What she forgot to ask him was whether or not he'd change. He just let her move on, and both of their hearts just stayed. I was silent for too long, but you really weren't here. And still smiling while my heart was choking on fear. No, I was singing out my lungs, but it fell on deaf ears. So I'll silence all this nonsense. I will end all of these pointless words. I'll quiet down for the night and whisper for good.